Sikkim today stands at a point of confidence, investing in its people with clarity and purpose. Under the trailblazing leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, focused initiatives in education, skilling, and youth and women empowerment have opened pathways beyond the state's borders. Across Europe, essential sectors are navigating an intensifying shortage of skilled professionals, prompting governments and employers to actively seek dependable, well-prepared talent. The success of Sikkim's initial nursing pilot batch, with 13 nurses now working in accredited German hospitals, has affirmed that international mobility, which was once an ambition, is now a tangible reality. To extend this opportunity to many more talents across the state, the Chief Minister, European Language and Employment via Aspirational Training and Engagement, CM Elevate, is conceived by the Skill Development Department as a flagship scheme of the state government under the aegis of Sikkim Inspires program. In order to achieve the goal of Viksit Bharat, Viksit Sikkim 2047, CM Elevate positions global skilling and ethical overseas mobility as strategic levers. The launch of CM Elevate aligns with the new India-European Union Comprehensive Framework of Cooperation on Mobility, signed in January 2026. CM Elevate emerges from a clear objective: to equip the youth and women of Sikkim with necessary skill sets for global employability in European countries through high-quality foreign language training, ethical migration pathways, and structured overseas placements. The program focuses on sectors where demand is strong and growth is steady, as the likes of healthcare, hospitality, IT or ITES, and engineering, among others. Candidates undergo an intensive training journey ranging typically from 9 to 12 months. This includes German, Dutch, and French language training, supported by sector-specific preparation and workplace readiness modules. While the Skill Development Department provides overarching guidance for implementing the scheme, Niyukti Kendra shall provide end-to-end support from counseling and mobilization to post-placement support. The scheme offers a seamless continuum from training to placement integration. Accessibility is ensured through 1 lakh in milestone-based financial support from the state government and soft credit linkage through the State Bank of Sikkim, effectively removing financial and logistical barriers to global opportunity. The journey curated by CM Elevate doesn't end at the airport, it begins there. After joining work abroad, they remain connected to the state through structured 2-year post-placement monitoring, safety protocols, and grievance channels managed by Niyukti Kendra. A QR-enabled digital gateway now opens the door to CM Elevate, placing opportunity quite literally at one's fingertips. With a single scan, Sikkimese youth can enroll either from the comfort of their homes or by visiting Niyukti Kendra at Khadi Bhavan, Deorali. Recognizing the need to effectively monitor schemes dealing with structured overseas employment, such as CM Elevate, the Government of Sikkim has constituted the Foreign Employment and Recruitment Facilitation Board under the Skill Development Department, further guaranteeing that every global opportunity remains safe, ethical, and well-regulated. The world is opening its doors. The opportunity is global. The preparation is local. And CM Elevate is the very bridge, the very pathway that can transform Sikkim's potential into impact. It is the promise that the state will make its mark on the world as it advances toward the vision of a truly Sunaulo, Samriddha, Ani Samarth Sikkim.